RAW versus JPEG. Your camera shoots RAW or JPEG. What does that mean? What are the advantages of each? RAW and JPEG are two different types of digital image files that are used in photography. A RAW file contains all of the data taken from your image sensor and saves it on an uncompressed format on your memory card. So if you have a 20 megabyte pixel camera, your RAW file of a single image will take up 20 megabytes on your memory card or on your computer. A RAW file is a lot more flexible when it comes to editing. You choose to adjust your saturation, your sharpness, your contrast, your white balance. RAW gives you all those options. However, your RAW file images may appear somewhat flat and must be edited and converted to another format like JPEG before they can be posted on social media or even used for printing. When you have your camera sent to JPEG, your camera automatically compresses the image down to about 1/4 of the size of RAW. It saves the data that it thinks is important and gets rid of the rest. In an effort to optimize your image, it makes a number of adjustments to the saturation, contrast, and sharpness. These changes are usually good, but if you don't like them, you're kind of difficult to unchange them. A JPEG file is a universal image format that can be shared and posted on social media without editing. It's ready to go. What should you shoot, RAW or JPEG? Well, it depends. If you're shooting snapshots and aren't worried about getting the very best image all the time, shoot JPEG because your camera will perform quicker and you'll be able to share those images right away. If you want to make sure your images look their very best or you're shooting in unoptimal lighting conditions, shoot in RAW. You can use photo editing software to make minor or major adjustments before you convert that RAW file to a JPEG file. Do you want to find out how to change your JPEG or RAW in your camera? Come into Horn Photo and see our experts. They'll be happy to help you. Got the picture?